Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from quantitative section, and the question that we'll be discussing is a very interesting one. The question from dictionary. Okay, so this sort of question are not really very common as far as this examination is a question, but once in a while we have seen questions similar to this being asked in the examination, be it your GRE or GMAT. Okay, so we'll take a look at this question in general, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same, and also try and understand the approach of the same as well, so that we can come across a question uh, whenever come across a question such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so let's take a look. What will be the 55th word if we arrange Shubang in order of dictionary? Every word is acceptable, meaning or meaningless. Okay, so here we have the word SHUVANK. Okay, now if I am to write this word in the alphabetical order, then I'll have A, okay, followed by H, followed by K, followed by N, followed by S, U, and V. Okay, so this is how we can arrange. Now in this regards, total we have 7 letters. The first letter will always remain A. Okay, and then following this entire thing, this 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Okay, either one can come in any place, but first letter will always be A. So now if we consider this, then what we'll see is that 6 factorial is nothing. 6 factorial is come out to be 720. Okay, so that is way ahead of our 55th word. Okay, so we cannot have that. So let me do one thing. Let me now again fix A and H. Okay, so K, N, S, U, V. I have fixed A and I have fixed H. Okay, so if I fix A and H, then I can arrange all these words in 5 factorial ways. Okay, so 5 factorial ways. Now, okay, this was 720, so not applicable. Okay, 5 factorial ways again 120, but we need 59. Again, it is too much, so again not applicable. Okay, let's go through the option. It starts with S. We can cancel this thing out. Okay, now next up, if we further take a look. Okay, so next up, let's try and fix the first 3 terms. Okay, AHK, NSUV. Okay, let me fix first A, let me fix H, and let me fix K. So this 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Okay, that is 24. See, now yes, we can use this because this is less than 55. Okay, so we need one more arrangement in this regards. Okay, so 40, 24. So now what we are left with is 55 minus 24, that is 31. Let me do one thing. Let me replace this K with N. Okay, so let me now fix with first place H, second place N, then let me fix N, H, third place N. Okay, then we can find simply K, S, U, and V. Okay, this again can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. That is again 24. How many remaining words we have? We have 31 minus 24. That is, we have 7 words remaining. Okay, now let's do something. We need 7 words only left, right? So let me do something now. So A, H, let me take fix S now, because after N has been completed. So next I am fixing S in this place. A, H, and X. A, and let me S. Okay, let me take K as well. Let me fix K as well in this regards. Why K? Because K comes before N. Okay, so let me fix all this, because after fixing N we still left with 7 more. Okay, so this will be n uv. Okay, so this can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial way is 6. Okay, so 3 factorial way is 6. So k, after k's arrangement, so we cannot k take, so now 7 minus 1 will be 7 minus 6, again 1 remaining. Okay, so let me replace this k now. A H S, let me take n here, fix, because after k we have n only, so n, and I'm fixing k here now, and finally u and v. Okay, so this will be the final order, because the last one we had already fixed this, and k's fixing position we still have one left, so therefore we have replaced k with n. So this will be our answer. So A, H, S and K, U, V. So A, H, S and K, U, V, option A, H, S and U, V will be our answer. So I hope this is a very unique kind of a question. So in case you are having much doubt with respect to the approach involved, kindly go through the same. That should give you a plenty. So this is the 55th word arrangement. Okay. Any doubt, just go through the entire thing. I've covered in details why we eliminated certain options and how we came over with the replacement of the same as well. So if you have any doubt, just go through the same. This should give you plenty of insights in the approach of the same as well. Now, having said that, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards as well. Any section that you need help with, be it your QA section, VARC or LR section as well, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Now, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.